Hello guys from YouTube. I haven't been at this now for a while, but I've started repairing the Craftsman LT2000 again. I haven't had a chance and a bit of time to do too much more. I did little bits and pieces. Now I've managed to finish this deck, my mulching deck. And I did not too bad. The welding is a bit snotty, but I have another new, well, second hand, well, one off the other, off my other good one, which was actually rotten all in here, and I've replaced it with some new material. Whoops, sorry, went off the camera, but painted it, and you can see there where I've done a bit of messy welding. I had to borrow a welder, and that welder wasn't the best. I didn't really particularly don't like them small little fart of things. I have a proper welder here, but I've no gas, and getting the gas is a bit complicated. The MIG gas, I have arc, but you can't arc that. It's too light, like you need MIG. But anyway, I have the mulching deck all done up again. This is the other deck that I had. Now the blades, I'm changing them anyway, so that's not the problem. But this deck is finished for mulching. The only thing I want to change that cover, for the other cover was a bit torn, and I put this cover on my good one. Now speaking of my good one, I'll give you a quick glance of this deck that I've finished. She's ready to go. I don't really care because she's going to be mulching seaweed, and I'm not too bothered. In there I have a bit of rust still, but maybe in the future, maybe next year or something, I might take it apart again and just give it a good wire brush off and see a few holes here and there. There was a hole here that I welded up. I'll see if I can do a little bit more, give it a good overall, and see what I can do maybe next year. Well, this one turned out beautiful. That's not a new deck. That's the deck I've been doing up. I've been kind of busy here from time to time, and I done up this one, and I got another good one of them off a reel. The deck was rotten, but this was good in it, so I mounted that there, and it's a channel for throwing the grass up. But yeah, all the things and everything taken off it, and all wire brushed completely down to the bare metal, and I've painted it with hammerite. Actually, that hammerite is quite nice. Actually, it gives a nice shine to it. The black is there's a bit of tinge of grey in it. As you can see, the inside of that looks rusty, but there's no point in painting that. But I'm happy the way she turned out. That's the actual channel. So done. Let me just grab this. Excuse my, I'm kind of one-handed here. Let me see if I can get this on camera. I think it goes that way around. Let's go that way around. 1 second, let me think. It comes up from there. It goes, I think, this way around. So I don't. Right. That should actually fit over that. It does, yeah. So that fits over that. And that's that goes out to the back to the throwing box. I'm holding it here with my foot, so I'm standing kind of close. So that all fits fine. The tractor mower is still kind of sitting there, which I've done a few plates on, and I'm doing at the moment. I'm polishing up some of the other things. Now this, look at the rust on that, and I'm taking that all off. And that's the original one, which I'm not. And see the back box, look how rusty that is. That's all being wire brushed clean and redone, which I'm going to do. But right now I'm kind of working here. I've made a temporary bench for myself. I'm kind of working here and polishing them up. I have one plate finished. That's the plate underneath where your shoes will be between underneath the steering wheel, basically, and that's one that I just finished, going ready for painting. So I'm going to continue here. Let me see if I can set my camera up in a good position somewhere, and I'll let you watch for a few minutes. Talk to you a bit. I just need to set my camera up somewhere. No, I think that's relatively good. I have it here inside a cupboard actually. I don't have my tripod with me. So I think that's pointing relatively good. So let's see. Let me see what I'm at. Am I a bit high? Maybe, but you can see what I'm doing. Tell you, holding this machine is not easy either. It's pretty. My wire brush, pretty heavy. There goes the boiler again. That's hot! Shy! No, it looked like that. And now it's like that. Oh, wait a minute, maybe I can get a bit of light on you. Gee, that was hot. The wire brush, it does make it hot, alright. Very nice and shiny. It did kind of look like all this. So, I'm going to see if I can continue cleaning this. You know, well, I tell you, the hammerite makes a real nice job of it. and it would be, well, it'd be great to see it finish. I might boil her on at the moment for a bit of hot water for the kitchen. A cheaper way of making hot water here. Have to do that. I love these. Great. I have to stand in front of you, sorry guys. This is going to be hard to get. Ay. Like I said, the switch is broken. The handy thing about it is you can click it on and it stays on, but the only thing you gotta watch, it can come on accidentally. I'll tell you it's warm. Right, I'm gonna see. I don't want to bore you too much actually, but I think you kind of get the gist of what I'm doing. I'll try again. Oh, I should be ready for painting. Okay. Oh, yeah, I missed a bit. Anything I hate by leaving paint there, it's so bubbly. Oh dear, I'm gonna get that. Daba Yakuma. It's hot. Oh. I'm hoping to get it now. Gamma! It's hot. No. I don't know what I said there. Just some made up language. Maybe it means something in a different language, but I don't know. Imagine doing this by hand. Oh my goodness. I'd say it'd be Christmas again by the time I... Talk about all of it. You wouldn't get the good results. Especially not with that. Talk about, I was about 2 days at that, at least. Well, 2 good evenings, like. Maybe 3 even. Because I gave it a third run to make sure I had everything, because I wanted that to look good, because it's the main body. You can see the main body really a lot, like. Alright, we'll get this ready for painting. I'll hang it here. Okay, for now. Now, okay, I have a bit of a rod to do. I'm going to do a few more pieces there, and I'll get back to you in a while. Oh, my SIM card will be full.